On Eid al-Azha, mutton liver is a dish that graces the table of almost every household. Ever wonder why your homemade Kaleji often looks, well, a bit lackluster? I'm sharing a game-changing trick that will transform your mutton liver into a culinary masterpiece. So I welcome you to the next episode of Scented Palette. I've got about 650 grams of liver already soaked. You have seen the ingredients, so now let's begin. Now we are going to boil some water. Add the liver when the water comes to full boil. Stir it a bit and leave the liver in for about 2 minutes. See all the impurities rising up on top? Removing these impurities will save the liver from looking black when it's done, like we usually see around. This method will give it a savory and appetizing look at the end. Remove the liver from the water. Now add some oil in a pan. Add the onions. Saute them a little until their corners turn a little brown, like so. Now let's make a paste in which to cook the liver. I'm taking some water as a base to enable the chopping blade to move. Now add tomatoes and garlic and green chilies and finally the semi-sauteed onions and blend it into a paste. I've taken a little bit of clean new oil and adding the blended paste into it. I will add the spices twice, which will prevent the inherent blandness in mutton liver. Chili flakes, salt, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, turmeric. I'm adding 1/4 cup of cooking oil to give it a good look, but if you are eating at home, you can go without it. The color is already looking good. Allspice powder, paprika powder, see the color enhancement? Once all the water in the paste is evaporated, it's time to add the liver. If you like spicy food, you will add more chili at this point. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, but it's alright for our taste as I will be adding green chili at the end as well. Cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. See up close, it has not turned black at all. Add some of the green chili and cilantro and leave the rest for garnish. Cover it and turn the flame off and leave it for 5 minutes. Let me plate it up for you. Now let me show you the final look.